women's health at all, you have found the place. So days away from my period, so chopped up the candles I have it scrolled. Good morning. I just woke up and I haven't even brushed my teeth yet, but I did make my drinks. So I went ahead and I made of course, my raspberry leaf tea with my moon cycle blend. And I also made some a cacao drink. This is basically just cacao powder with coconut milk and water. Super easy and nourishing. So let's get ready. Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel. Make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm somebody. Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel. Make the same when I'm on my own. Up, down, on the road. I've been around the floor. Rooftops, sliding doors. Just wanna know you more. I hope you wanna be with somebody. Spending all of the night moonwalking. And with the view she could see her building. Try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating when I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody. Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody. Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. And it's the end of the night. Feel like you're dodging my eye. But then you're right by my side. Tell me it's all in my mind. You make me wanna be with somebody. Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody. Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. On my own. Good morning, welcome back. My name is Eleni and I'm studying to become a women's health nurse practitioner. I love everything women's health, and so if you are curious about women's health at all, you have found the place. So I've been starting these vlogs, and basically my intention was excuse me. So basically my intention was to share how I am living a healthy lifestyle, or at least aspire to live a healthy lifestyle, so that I can instill and inspire you to also live in a healthy manner in a easier way, because health is just, it's a broad word. I mean, a broad term. We don't really know what health means. Healthy to someone could be like cereal in the morning and, high blood sugar, just low calorie, things like that. That could be healthy. But for me, it's very holistic. It's mind, body, and spirit, just like yoga, really. And it's understanding what works for your body, incorporating ancient wisdom and obviously a little bit of Western medicine, but mostly just holistic health overall. And so today I am bringing you along. We are going to be doing a lot of fun things. Fun is relative, right? Okay, so this morning, as you saw, I woke up, had my tea, did my little facial routine, and then I did some mindfulness. I journaled and did some yoga, read a little, and this has been something that I've been struggling with, which is just yoga, practicing more often. But myself, I love going to yoga classes, but when it comes to practicing on my own, I don't do it as much as I should, because I do know just even practicing 5 minutes on my mat completely changes my mood. So I've been trying to do more of that. And so I did mindfulness, and now I'm going to be taking a 2-hour exam for grad school. It is basically a preparatory exam to see how much I know for my boards. Basically, as you know, I'm studying to become a women's health nurse practitioner, so we have to take the NCC, and in my last class right now, we are prepping for, and also just understanding where we are in this program. So I'm going to be taking that exam. I am also days away from my period, so I feel very low energy. I haven't worked out in over a week, and I'm getting a little antsy because I really love, moving my body, obviously, but I do know how important it is to just relax sometimes, especially during my luteal phase. And I was not feeling well last week after my hike, which I'm gonna, hopefully it's already uploaded, but it's the vlog on my Trans Catalina backpacking trip for 4 days. So if you haven't watched, I hope you can go watch. So yeah, I've just kind of been really relaxing and, well, not really relaxing, but just not exercising. So yeah, I've been a little antsy, but I know my body needs to relax before she bleeds. And yeah, so with that being said, I will be cooking a lot today. So I'm gonna take this exam, cook, and then I'm going to an acupuncture appointment. Slow down, hold on tight now. It's okay to meet me at the front line. So before I start the exam, I got a little hungry, so I'm gonna just have a little yogurt and then have an actual breakfast after, because I really don't want to get hungry. So this is just the organic lactose-free yogurt. Some granola my mom made. Shout out to my mom who made this granola, by the way. She's an amazing cook and I love her so much. So I'm really happy I get to enjoy this. Okay, so I did a lot of cutting right now, a lot of chopping, I should say. Chopped up the carrots and I broke these Romanescos into little pieces. And then finally, deep in there, you can find zucchini. So many veggies. There you go, there's the zucchini, or yeah, squash, I mean. And so I'm gonna put all of this in a curry. I also went ahead and I washed all the fruits I will be eating today because I have school, I have clinics, so I want to make it super easy. So I just cut up the kiwi and washed the cherries, cut up strawberries and blueberries, and I'm going to be having that. And then here I went ahead and I chopped up some cilantro. I washed my broccoli that I will be also having. And then finally we have, yes, sweet potato and beets that I'm baking. I just love having fresh, clean fruit for the week. So for the curry, I am going to be starting off with all of this fat from the oxtail soup that I made. Also, I'm cooking up just a little bit of protein and carbs, and I'm gonna have that with avocado for my little pre-snack for acupuncture. We're gonna be adding in some garlic. I'm gonna be adding this beautiful bowl of veggies I cut up into the oil, to the, oopsies, the carrot.
Cold feet, winter drives me wild. I can't fly down on the Friday. I was meant to meet you at your mom.
And this is the beef that I'm using. 100% grass-fed beef. This is beef for stew.
So I apologize.
Add this organic yellow curry.
I got a pocket notebook, I'm nervous. Sometimes I run out of things to say, and it turns out
More curry powder.
you've got one too. And dinner's gone cold, I don't
I'm
care.
gonna add in some coconut milk.
Yeah, we talk till the morning. I've got no sleep 'cause you drive me wild. 'Cause I know one day we get out of happy house and wake you up for brunch when you're feeling worn out. And we just gotta keep on hanging on for now. So slow down, hold on tight now. You're driving me wild.
I just got back from acupuncture and look how amazing this stew looks, or this curry that I made. It's all ready. So amazing for your luteal phase. This is something I would definitely recommend to you. All the veggies with some 100% grass-fed meat. And then we have the winner. Sweet potato is amazing for your periods, okay? These carbs are so nutritious and great for you. I love English muffins, especially when nearing my bleed. These are the sweet potatoes. I'm just peeling them.
Sunflower, you're the light of my life. I got a few days off, I can show you my good side. Got the time, I can stay for a while before the sun goes down. Would you meet me in the sunlight? You're driving me wild. So driving me wild, driving me wild. So survive. We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever.
Cut off people I don't know. Cut off all the people I know too well. Cut off those ties with my old self, yeah. Don't wanna look back no more. Need a fresh start these days. Press rewind, pause, and hit replay. Take that time to fall in love with myself. I don't need no one else. Things feel so calm lately. Almost feel sedated when life flows. Alone. I don't wanna know what the future holds. I'll stay here right now. For now. Cut off people I don't know. Cut off all the people I know too well. Cut off those ties with my old self, yeah.